Hi, friends out there. Hi, just a word or two about shielding your bedroom wall that is nearest the smart meters that you probably have. I checked a lot of prices on shielding material that you can staple or pin to your wall. And I really am not sure with a 10 foot by 8 foot wall. I figured that they want it in linear feet, which is the same as feet, but yet the materials can have a width of anywhere from 30 some odd inches to 64 or 66 inches. So I took the amount and I looked at if one foot, one linear foot, if it costs like $9 and you have a 10 by 8 foot room, not room, but wall, it's going to end up costing $180 if I did it right, at $9 per foot. You need quite a few feet. So anyway, if I did it right, then I'm not in the market to spend that kind of money. So I just pinned this up with built-in Mylar, and I could have made it look prettier had I gone not just width-wise. If I'd stuck with width-wise in both directions, but I'd put it lengthwise and widthwise. There are two different measurements, so it does look a little bit funky, but it's done. I didn't cover the entire wall. I didn't ground it under the bed like I think you're supposed to do that with a sheet of it or two, which I probably will do because there are smart meters on the end of the building. And then I got a lot of different samples of thicknesses of aluminum, which is conductive material like copper. This one is 0.005, and I'm asking for a quote on this one because it's not crinkly and it won't rip easy like the other one is temporary. This one is just about the right width and thickness. The thickness of it is sturdy enough to where I think I'm not worried about it falling on my head and giving me a concussion, and also a stapler probably will go through it on the wall, and I think that would work for me. So I'm going to get a quote on that and see what it is, because the fabric is cost prohibitive right now. And I do have a filter, a Stetterizer filter, and the best company I think to go with is Greenwave, because they have a guy there that runs the place and he answers all your questions. He'll even loan you a meter if you want. He'll ask for a deposit, but it's a meter to be able to find out how much difference it is with and without a filter, and that way you know if one filter is enough or do you need two filters for that room or whatever the case may be. So Greenwave is a good one to go with because of their tech support, and they're always available. You can call them anytime during the day, even weekends, and they'll answer your call. And the guy's name is Gene, so he's the one that you would talk to, and he does everything, and he'll answer your questions. So if you're interested in getting magnetic field radiation shielding, and you have smart meters and Wi-Fi devices or cell phones, microwaves, televisions, and did I say cell phones? Well, there's cell towers as well, so that causes the radiation. You can actually get the number of towers and antennas in your area by putting it in to the computer, your address, and go to antennasearch.com, and they'll show you how many you have collectively in a 4-mile area surrounding your home or wherever you live, or it could be your office if you're spending most of your time there. But you can put that in and it'll give you an idea of that, and that gives you an idea of how much radiation, if you're getting a lot more radiation. And some areas are going to have densely populated towers and antennas, and other areas less populated, they'll probably have fewer. It just depends on the part of the town you're living in. I guess I'm thinking if you live near downtown or if you live near a radio station, they're probably going to be higher levels of frequency ranges, so pulsating through your residence or office than if you were living away from those areas. So it just depends on where you live or where you work. So if you want to check that out, just go to those places and it will give you an idea. And I hope all this helps, because I'm trying to save money for you and shield you so that you are safe, because 3 to 5, maybe 6% of the population are electrosensitive. So they are the ones that get sick easier. I don't know if you're one of those, and I just wish you the best, and I hope this helped you. Nicole, help you more.